Hi, Howard Friend HF Systems here. A lot of my subscribers have asked me how they can copy my trades to their own accounts to avoid having to trade manually, which can be a bit of a pain sometimes. Trading on an automated basis enables you to take 100% of the trades, so even when you're sleeping. So the art of trading without trading, as Bruce Lee might have said. So what you need to do is to have my MT4 account and your own MT4 account on the same computer. Now, this can be a PC, it can be a VPS. VPS is actually quite advisable because they're never switched off. So having two MT4 accounts on the same computer and downloading the trade copier software onto both of those MT4 accounts. So I've used LTC copier for quite some time. It's a very good one. I believe it costs €19 per month, although there are some on the market which are free. People are free to check out the copiers on the market. So it's a case of having both of the MT4 accounts up there with the LTC server and LTC client loaded upon them. So the server, LTC server, is the sender effectively. In other words, my MT4 account where the system trades will go. So whenever a trade hits this account, in this case, it's the Global Prime demo account, it will be copied to any linked account. So what I've done is I've linked a Pepperstone MT4 account. It can be any broker. There are many brokers out there on the market, online FX and CFD brokers. Just for the purposes of this demonstration, I've used Pepperstone. So what you can do with the LTC copier is you can say, okay, any trade that goes onto the sender account or server account, I want to copy in a size that suits my risk management level. So what I've got here is I've got essentially a 50 grand demo account and a just below 10 grand demo account here. So what you can do is literally when the trade hits on the sender account or the server account, in other words, my trades, let's just do a trade here just to show you how this works. So we've got euro dollar, one lot. Let's buy one lot of euro dollar and watch what happens on the bottom right screen on the Pepperstone account when I do it. So you can see instantly when a trade hits my account, a system trade, it will go directly to your MT4 account. Now, I always recommend when people do this to start off with not a live account, but a demo account at first, just to make sure that it's copying through in the sizes that you want to copy through. So notice here that I did one lot on my account and it came through as 0.2 lots on this account, and that's because the sizes of the account, so 50 grand versus 9,936. So you can do it based on the relative sizes of the account. You can do it based on pure lot size. I want to copy 1 for 1. You could even say I want to copy at 0.33 multiply. There are lots of things that you can do within the settings of this copier. So that's basically how it works. This really, for me, solves that problem. I think it's really the final piece in the puzzle when it comes to trading, because obviously what you need when you're trading is you need capital, money, you need access to markets, in other words, a broker, an online broker in this particular case, you need a methodology, in other words, how do you determine whether to buy, whether to sell, price targets, get yourself an automated rule-based strategy. That for me is a must. And then you need to figure out the money management. What are you prepared to risk on any one trade, on the account as a whole in terms of maximum drawdown? And then you need to automate your trading. So you need to make sure that you never miss a trade. And that's really what this does. Setting up a trade copier, connecting my account to your own account, and that way you will never miss a trade. And that way you can replicate the performance of my systems on your own account. Okay, I think I'll leave it there. I think that's really explained kind of in a nutshell how the trade copier works, just in its basic form. There are lots of things that you can do with this copier and with other copiers, clever things that you can do. You can set stop losses for the day so that if you happen to lose a certain percentage in a day, it stops taking trades. The good thing about these so-called expert advisors or EAs is you can switch them on and off at any time. So notice here we've got this setting on MetaTrader which says auto trading. If it's red, the thing is switched off and you get a frown on the expert advisor, and same here. And if you switch it on, you get a happy smiley face there and a happy smiley face there. So as I say, you can literally copy from one MT4 account to another. Let's just do another trade just to show you how quick this works. Let's buy 0.5 lots of cable and see what happens on the right hand side as we do it. Just like that. Okay, so that's essentially what you how it works. If at any time you are not happy with the whole process, you can just simply switch off the expert advisor on one or even both of the MT4s. Okay, that'll do for now. I hope that's given you a good explanation as to how the trade copy idea works, and I hope to see you as a subscriber very soon. Thanks very much.